Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Montreal. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Montreal. Also post your favorite season to go to Montreal in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Montreal is the largest city in Canada's Quebec province and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Canada. And if you're looking forward to visit Montreal in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Montreal with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Montreal. Montreal is becoming quite the tourist destination. The restaurant scene has an international reputation, the list of festivals throughout the year is one of the longest you will find, and the diversity in neighborhoods to explore will keep visitors busy for days on end. If you're thinking of visiting Canada's second largest city, continue watching this video till the end to discover the best time to visit Montreal. What's my favorite time of the year to visit Montreal? Summer. Montreal in the summer means endless outdoor activities and exciting special events that you just can't experience as much at other times of the year. I think this is the best time of the year to visit Montreal because the weather isn't going to put a damper on any urban adventures. Of course, I'm not the only one who thinks this. Summer is a busy time of the year in Montreal. Tourism reaches its peak during the summer months, which means that local attractions and festivals will be crowded. Festivals are in full swing, outdoor parks and gardens bloom with nature, and the top sites in the city attract visitors from around the world. If you can brave the crowds, summer is a beautiful time to experience the city. If summer isn't a perfect time for you to travel, or if you'd like to experience the city during less crowded months, Montreal is still a wonderful city to experience at any time of the year. Depending on the type of trip you're looking for, Montreal has something for everyone year-round. Let's have a look at Montreal by the season to see which time of year is the best for your next vacation to this cultural hub of Canada. High season in Montreal. May-September. This time of the year is ideal for those who want to experience the outdoors, along with the city's wide array of annual Montreal summer festivals. Pros. Warmest time of the year. Best time to take advantage of Montreal's summer festivals and outdoor activities. Cons. There's no getting around this, it will be more crowded than any other time of the year. Hotels and accommodations reach peak prices. Shoulder season in Montreal. March, April and October, November. The best time to visit Montreal for those who don't mind cold and sometimes unpredictable weather. On the plus side, the spring is when you can find good deals on accommodations. Pros. It is still a good time to go skiing in nearby Mont Tremblant. Maple production is in full swing with the celebration of Sugar Shack season, taste some at favorite local restaurants. Cons. The weather can be a little unpredictable. Snowstorms are still a possibility, especially in March. April is the rainy season. Low season in Montreal. December, February. The best time to visit Montreal for those who can brave the cold Canadian winter. There are plenty of deals to find throughout Montreal at this time of the year. Pros. Take advantage of holiday festivals and celebrations. The underground city makes it easy to see the city without being outside for too long. Cons. Plain and simple, it's cold. Snowstorms are common, which can change or cancel travel plans. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Montreal in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.